See if I can find it here. Okay, this is Wario7793. My first little home video here. I thought I'd show. See that little thing right there? It's an air raid siren in my neighborhood. It's pretty close. It's not too far from here. I'm on my front lawn or front porch. Zoom out a bit here. And I got a camcorder that's a little tied down to a battery right now. So I'm a little bit. There's my car. And there's my hand. And there's me, just in case anybody wants to see my ugly mug. And in a few minutes here, it is. You can see my watch there. It's almost 5 o'clock. This air raid siren, we can find it again here. There it is. Goes off at 7 a.m., noon, 1 p.m., and 5 p.m., Monday through Friday and Saturday. Not on Sundays, luckily. But it's loud, and it's going to go off here in a moment. And I don't have the right time on the camera, but I don't care. Unless okay, I don't know. I'm kind of new with this camera. I figured I'll just tape this thing when it goes off, and you can hear how loud it is here in a moment. Microphone. Okay, I think the microphone's picking me up. Oh, there it is. Let me just go ahead and focus on here. Yeah, it should be going off here in a moment because it's about a minute or so late. And if you notice, the sky is pretty nice around here. There's, zoom out a bit. It's about 70 degrees out. It's pretty nice for February. Got some traffic here. I'm on a busy street in my neighborhood, or my little town. Live in a town of about 1,500 people. So it's pretty small. Okay, there she is again. The bird's sitting on it. He's gonna have fun here in a couple of minutes when it goes off. Okay, I think the time on there is how long it's been recording for. So it's just been 2 minutes. See if we can zoom in a little more on it. Apologize for shaky. I'm holding this with my hand. This thing's a little heavy. Any moment now. Let me zoom out and show you. Luckily, there's no houses right under it. There's a fire station there. Well, I guess there is a house right there. No, that's a fire station. That's the fire station. There's another utility building, and I don't want to get in the sun. And there's a house just down the street there. Should be going up here pretty soon. A day, 6 days a week, every week for the last 8 years I've lived here. And people wonder why I'm grumpy sometimes. I'll let her wind down, then I'll shut off.